Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, today we have a very useful topic.
Today, we will practice how to introduce yourself in English.
Our episode is called How to Introduce Yourself in English. Easy English Conversation Practice.
This episode is perfect for beginners.
Yes, if you are A1 or A2 level, this lesson is for you.
We will speak slowly,
We will practice together.
and you can repeat after us.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and practice English with us every week.
Okay, Emma, are you ready?
I am ready.
Let's begin. Part 1. Saying your name.
Okay, Jake, let's start with the first thing.
Yes. When you meet someone new, the first thing is your name.
Exactly.
A simple sentence is, My name is Jake.
Very easy.
Let's say it slowly. Repeat after me. My name is. Good.
Now say your name. Example, my name is Maria.
Or, my name is Ahmed.
Or, my name is Fatima.
Very good.
Jake, what if I want something more casual?
Good question, Emma. You can say, I'm Jake.
Yes, this is very common. Example, hi, I'm Emma.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm Jake. Great.
Now say, I'm Emma. Pause. Good job.
Now, the next question people often ask is, where are you from?
Yes, very common question.
You can answer, I am from. Example, I am from Canada.
Or, I'm from Spain.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am from. Good.
Now try this sentence. I'm from Morocco. Nice.
Now, let's make a small conversation.
Okay.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, Jake. My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
Great. Part 3. Your job or study?
Next, people sometimes ask, what do you do?
Yes, that means, what is your job?
Example answers, I am a student.
Or, I am a teacher.
Or, I am a chef.
Let's practice. Repeat. I am a student. Good.
Now say, I am a teacher. Great.
Now say, I am a chef. Excellent.
Jake, many listeners are learning English.
Yes, like our friend listening right now.
You can say, I am learning English.
Very useful sentence. Repeat after me. I am learning English. Good.
Another sentence, my English is beginner level.
Or simply say, I am a beginner.
That is okay. Everyone starts as a beginner.
Exactly.
When you talk to someone new, you can also talk about hobbies.
Yes, hobbies make conversations fun. Example sentence, I like music.
Or, I like cooking.
Or, I like football.
Repeat after me. I like music. Nice.
Now say, I like cooking. Great.
Now let's make a full introduction.
Yes, listen first. Hi, my name is Jake. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. I like music and travel. Nice to meet you.
Great example, Jake. Now my turn. Hello, my name is Emma. I'm from England. I'm a teacher. I like coffee and reading. Nice to meet you.
Now it's your turn. Say this with us. Hello, my name is. I'm from. I am a. I like.
Great job. You just introduced yourself in English.
Jake, let's make a fun conversation.
Okay.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Emma.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Very natural conversation.
Yes, and very easy. Great work today, everyone.
Yes, you practice introducing yourself in English.
Let's review our key phrases.
Phrase 1. My name is. Phrase 2, I'm from. Phrase 3, I am a.
You can say, I am a student, or I am a teacher.
And phrase 4, I like.
These are very important beginner phrases.
If you practice them every day, your English will improve fast.
And remember, you're doing great.
Yes, learning English takes time.
But every day you get better.
Before we go, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, how do you introduce yourself in English?
Write your name, your country, and your job.
We would love to read your answers.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.